Actress and Valenzuela City Councilor Charee Pineda tied the knot with fellow Politiko Martell Soledad. The two politikos got married in a civil ceremony officiated by Valenzuela City Mayor Rex Gatchalian. Soledad had been a councilor of Valenzuela. Senator Gatchalian called the couple Pineda's friend, actress Yasmin Kurdi, attended the ceremony. Pineda and Soledad announced their engagement in December 2019. They have been together for over 6 years.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.